How do I post consistently without burning out? Somebody asked, so I'm going to answer. It's really hard to post consistently on social media because there are so many platforms. There is so much competing for your attention, and it becomes hard to want to share consistently because it feels like I'm always giving to this endless well. But the only way to post consistently without burning out is to build a system that works for your unique brain. In 2019, I made a promise to myself that I would send my weekly email every single week, no matter what. I'm one of those people that's internally motivated first, and so by simply saying that I was going to do something, I committed to the bit. I was able to build my first set of following relatively quickly. I got to 150 subscribers within the first several weeks of sending out my email newsletter, and then all of a sudden, I'm like, oh shucks, I am responsible for keeping the promise that I made both to myself and to you. I'll be honest, it was wobbly at first, but eventually I found a framework that really worked for me in creating a weekly email newsletter that was easy to create, that also satisfied my audience. Every issue includes a pep talk, 5 illustrated memes, and 3 things that I'm happy about. What I love about this format is that it's flexible enough for my multi-passionate brain, but it also allows me to very easily be able to achieve it every week because it's tied to the things I love doing, which is writing, drawing, and doing things that bring me joy. When you're doing the things that you love, it's so easy to stay consistent. Wait, let me pause right there. If you made it this far, you might be ready for your creative reset. Grab my free guide and learn how to build your personal brand and launch your wildest, weirdest, most silly ideas. Yeah, that repeatable structure is kind of like muscle memory. So when I sit down to create, all I have to do is let my imagination run wild, but I have guardrails that keep me in place so I can finish it in less than an hour every single week. Now, I gave you the repeatable structure for my email newsletter, but I want to bring that back around to how I post regularly on social media. And the key is that I'm just repurposing the content that I already put in my email newsletter and putting it onto social media. Once I've written the email, I just break it down into the smallest parts possible and I share it with the world broadly. For example, that might end up being something I post on LinkedIn. It could be a carousel post on Instagram. The memes are perfect because that gives me 5 pieces of content that I can post on a variety of platforms. Oftentimes, I will write original captions to go with the memes because I want to extend their life a little bit. And then the 3 things that brought me joy this week, those can become individual posts or they can turn into deep dives where I explore the things that I'm most interested in on a variety of platforms. The magic of this is that I'm recycling my ideas over and over again and giving them new life. I've built a self-sustaining cycle that allows me to create content once a week, but then be able to repurpose it throughout the week. But through that process, I'm also kind of making new content pretty regularly, which helps to come up with new ideas for my newsletter down the road. If I were to use an analogy, it's kind of like I'm planting seeds and then I'm cultivating the garden and then I'm using the things that I grow in the garden to eat, but then I'm again planting the seeds. That's a weird analogy. Is that good? I don't know, whatever. The bottom line is that consistency doesn't come from discipline. It comes from creating systems that work for you. When I'm working with coaching clients, I help them come up with a system that works for their unique brain so they cut out all of the overthinking and instead create a plug and play process that works for them so they can keep showing up week after week. What's something that you have been struggling with in building your personal brand or launching your big ideas? You can leave a comment below and I might just answer it in a future video. Okay, bye.